Akash wanted to purchase a small amount of rice. Initially he thought, can I actually count the number of grains and then purchase rice accordingly? But that was not really possible. There are so many grains of rice in a very small amount. So this was very difficult. So he thought it's better to weigh rice, and that way he can purchase the right amount of rice. So he went to the shop. Now in the shop, the shopkeeper measured 1 kg of rice. Now the 1 kg of rice was too much for Akash. He said he wanted only a small amount. Now the shopkeeper said he only has a 1 kg weight. So how can he give him a smaller amount? Well, Akash said, do one thing. Divide this 1 kg of rice into 10 parts and give me just one part of it, because that is the amount of rice which I actually require. But what if the shopkeeper couldn't divide the rice into 10 equal parts, or he refuses to do so? How can you purchase a smaller amount of something? So for quantities smaller than a kilogram, well, you have a smaller unit called gram. So a kilogram is divided into 1000 equal parts, and one such part is called gram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So a kilogram is smaller than a gram, equal to a gram, or greater than a gram. What do you think? Well, it is greater than a gram, because gram is a smaller unit than kilogram. So now you know that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So can you tell me how much will be 9 kilograms in terms of grams? Well, let's calculate. So we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So we are talking about 9 kilograms. So if we talk about 9 kilograms, we are basically converting from kilogram to gram. That is larger unit to smaller unit. So we multiply. So we multiply 9 with the conversion. That is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So it will be 9 into 1000 grams, which is 9000 grams. So 9 kilogram is equal to 9000 grams. Now in this you need to convert 13,000 grams into kilograms. So how many kilograms is 13,000 grams? Again, we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, and here you are converting from grams to kilograms. So you are converting from smaller unit to larger unit. So how much will be 13,000 grams in terms of kilograms? Well, you will divide smaller unit to larger unit. So you divide. So we divide 13,000 by 1000. So you get 13,000 by 1000 kilogram, which is 13 kilograms. So 13,000 grams is 13 kilograms. Now Akash had one more query. What if I wanted to measure the weight of few grains? Can I measure it with grams? Well, he tried that. And what did he see? Well, he saw that these few grains of rice were even lighter than 1 gram. So he thought, what if I had to measure a very small amount of thing which is even smaller than grams? How would I measure these things? Well, for that there is another unit which is even smaller than grams, and which is called milligram. So how much is 1 gram in terms of milligram? Well, the conversion is 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So you see here, grams can be written as G and milligrams can be written short form as mg. So you can say that 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. So 1 g is equal to 1000 mg. This is also another form in which you can write gram and milligram, and this is the conversion between them. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So as you know the conversion, let's calculate, or let's convert 8 grams into milligrams. So first of all, we know that 1 gram is 1000 milligrams. So we need to calculate 8 grams. So 8 grams will be grams to milligrams. So we are converting from larger to smaller unit. So we'll multiply. What are we multiplying? We are multiplying 8 and 1000. 8 grams, and the conversion is 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So 8 into 1000 milligrams, which is 8000 milligrams. So 8 grams is 8000 milligrams. Now what about 58,000 milligrams? How much will be that in terms of grams? Again, we know that 1000 milligrams is 1 gram, and we are converting from smaller to a larger unit, isn't it? So if we talk about 58,000 milligrams, it will be equal to 58,000 by 1000, because we'll divide. So we'll divide 58,000 by the conversion. 1000 milligrams is 1 gram. So 58,000 by 1000 grams, which is 58 grams. So 58,000 milligrams is 58 grams. So you see, kilogram is not the only unit to measure weight. We have smaller units like gram and milligram to measure smaller weights. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and 1 gram is further divided into 1000 equal parts, and we get 1 milligram. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.